Hey everyone, it's Lisa. Today on DoodleDrawArt, we're drawing some cute kawaii Easter characters. And we've already drawn some of the little chicks from my speed doodle. And today we're going to draw this cute little rabbit. If you want to watch the speed doodle, just click the info card and come on over and check that out. So I'm going to start off by drawing a nice big circle, because we're drawing this rabbit right here. And then for his ears, they're going to be quite big. They're pretty big ears. Let's see. Let's compare the size of the ear to the size of the circle. So it's more than half the size of the circle. And I'm going to switch over to my black pen using my Muji black gel pen. It's a 0.5 millimeter pen. All right, so I'm going to start off by tracing this ear that I just drew. Just like that. Now the great thing about doing this in pencil first is if you didn't like the shape of your ear, you can just try again. Now I'm going to draw a little curve in between here. That's the back of his head. Now we're going to go down to the bottom. We're going to make some little feet, just tiny little feet. So I'm just going to bounce those off the bottom here of the circle. Now I'm going to go around the circle, pretending that this line keeps going through his ear, and connect that to the foot, just like that. And then underneath, connect the 2 feet. And then over here, continuing around the circle, making sure that it looks like your line keeps going behind the ear. Great, now let's draw a little tail over here. So we're just going to put a big bumpy circle out on that side. And now inside his ears, you can see there's some, like the tender pink part of the ear. I'm just going to draw some upside down teardrop shapes in his ears. And now I'll draw some great big circles. So I'll draw one great big circle here, and then far apart here, make another great big circle. And then I'm going to draw some small circles inside, and I'm going to color in the entire center, except not in that little circle that I drew. A 0.5 pen is not the best choice for coloring stuff. It takes a little time. All right, almost done. So you can check the video description here if you're looking for any of the supplies that I'm using. So far I've just used a regular mechanical pencil and a Muji gel pen. And there's the nose. And here is the cute little mouth inside. All right, so now what I'm going to do is erase all of my sketch marks from behind here. And we're done. Now, if you want to, you can do what I always like to do, which is thicken up some of the outside lines. I'm going to leave all of the features in his face very delicate. Not going to go over those. I like them with my fine line. But I am going to use my brush tip pen. I'm just going to go around the outside edges of my character. And you can see that if I don't press very hard, my pen makes a very narrow line. And if I press harder, I get a thicker line out of it, which is kind of cool. So here I go gently, and then pressing harder, and whoop, wiggle, and then coming in, easing up to a smaller line. On this side, same thing, gently, and pressing harder, and lift, and then gently pressing harder, lift, and his other little foot, and then his puffy tail. And there he is. How cute. Awesome. Okay, so come on back for the next video. We're going to draw another rabbit from the speed doodle. I wonder which one we're going to draw.